This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Gaba Tarkari. Begin by washing and chopping all vegetables and toasting whole spices until aromatic. Grind spices to a coarse powder and set aside. Heat oil in a heavy pan and sauté onions until translucent, then add garlic and ginger. Add tomatoes and cook until soft. Combine chopped vegetables, spices, salt, and a splash of water, then simmer until tender and flavors meld. Warm your pan and bloom ground spices in oil to release their aroma for best results. Stir spices quickly so they do not burn, and then add vegetables to coat. Deglaze with a splash of water or stock to create a gentle sauce and cover to steam until tender. Taste and adjust salt and chili, then finish with fresh coriander and lemon to brighten the dish before serving with rice or flatbread. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great in the kitchen for timers, recipes, and music while you cook. It keeps your hands free and your groove on. I use it to set multiple timers and play recipe playlists, which makes cooking more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by sautéing hard vegetables like potatoes or squash, then add softer vegetables later to keep texture. Keep the heat moderate so the exterior caramelizes without burning, and stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. If the curry looks dry, add small amounts of water rather than a single large pour to control consistency. Taste as you go and adjust seasonings gradually for a balanced, homey Gaba Tarkari.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.